Welcome to Module 6 for the IP Office 5410 and 5420 Basic Voicemail Functions. The first thing we're going to do is to tell you how to retrieve your voicemail. Let's leave a message on this phone, extension 201. We'll put it over to Do Not Disturb so it'll pick up quickly.
Hello, this is Kim. I can't come to the phone right now. Please leave me your name, number, and a brief message.
Hi Kim, this is Jim. We're just testing this phone and leaving you a voicemail message. Goodbye. Notice that Kim's voicemail light comes on, and we can access it by going into the Messages icon, which is your voicemail icon. This is the visual voicemail screen. We can listen to messages. We can leave a message and send it to somebody without actually calling their phone. We can change our greeting. We can change our name in the global company address book, or we can change our passcode that we use when we're accessing our voicemail remotely. Let's listen to a message. Notice that Listen will get us into the menu for our own personal voicemail, and Main will get us into the voicemail for any mailboxes that we have subscribed to, such as the general delivery mailbox. We'll deal with that in our advanced voicemail section. But now, let's listen to our personal voicemail. Listen, we can see that we have one new message, no old, and no saved. Let's play the new one.
Hi, Kim. This is Jim. We're just testing this phone and leaving you a voicemail message.
We can rewind.
Goodbye. Hi, Kim. This is Jim.
Rewind.
Hi, Kim.
Fast forward to the end. We can press the next for the next message, or we can save it. It is now in the saved folder, as you can see by the screen. If we hadn't deleted it explicitly, it would be in the old folder. If we wanted to hear what's in the saved folder, we can press saved.
Hi, Kim.
But now we'll delete it. So you can tell from the screen, we can do everything we need to do. We don't have to listen to any menu prompts or anything like that, which would slow us down. Let's turn off Do Not Disturb. Right there. Now we'll go back into our visual voicemail, and now we're going to check out our greeting. Let's listen.
Hello, this is Kim. I can't come to the phone right now. Please leave me your name, number, and a brief message.
Let's leave a greeting that mentions our vacation coming up. Press Visual Voice or our Messages button. Go to Greeting. Press Record to begin recording the message, then press Stop when you're done. We can then listen to it, but we have to remember to hit the Submit button in order to save the message. Let's record. Hi, this is Kim. I'm going on vacation this week. Please call me next week, Monday, February 24th. We'll talk to you then. Thank you. Stop. Let's listen to what we recorded.
Hi, this is Kim. I'm going on vacation this week. Please call me next week, Monday, February 24th. We'll talk to you then. Thank you.
Now we can delete the message, but really what we want to do is to save it, which is called Submit. We'll exit from our voicemail. We'll go over, put Do Not Disturb on so it answers quickly, and we'll listen to our new message. Calling in right now.
Hi, this is Kim. I'm going on vacation this week. Please call me next week.
That's what we wanted. Okay, the next thing we'll do is we'll turn off Do Not Disturb. It was over there. We'll go back into Messages, and we would like to change the name. The name is something that if you do not have it recorded, if it says no name recorded, that means that you won't be a part of the dial by name directory that may be accessible from an auto attendant in your company. Let's check out the name here. Let's listen.
Kim Williams.
Well, maybe Kim has changed her name. Maybe she got married or something. Here we go. Kim Williams Johnson.
Kim Williams Johnson.
That's what we want. And submit. Good. I could have chosen to press speaker to get out of our voicemail session, or I could have pressed the exit button. Either one is fine. The next thing we'll show you is the passcode. If you are dialing in remotely or your company has it enabled for security purposes, you may need a passcode to get into your voicemail. Press passcode, enter your new passcode. Let's put in 1379 and press done. Let's go back in there and see what it says. Passcode. And now you'll have to enter your new password, because if you had an old password, you'll have to put it in first. Let's try 4578. Done. So now your new password is 4578. I would like to note that on some systems you might not be able to have the visual voice feature, such as this. You might have a button that's labeled voicemail, and when you press it, it'll actually sound like this.
Please enter your mailbox number.
So you'll put in your mailbox number.
You have no new messages.
And then follow the prompts to retrieve your voicemail, delete, etc.
When playing a message, to delete the message, press 4. To save the message, press 5. For forwarding options, press 6. To repeat the message, press 7. To skip the message, press 9. To call back the sender, press ***. At the end of your messages, to play old messages, press 1. To play saved messages, press 2. To edit your greeting, press 3. To direct all messages to email, press *01. To send email notifications, press *0.
You can see that the spoken menu is rather complex. You can do a lot of things from that menu that you might not be able to do from your visual voice, but that would come out in a manual if you'd like to read it on the voicemail. Typically, the visual voice is the only features you'll probably ever need to use. But let's leave a message at 201 and retrieve it with the *17 or the voicemail button that might be appearing up here instead. Put on Do Not Disturb. 201.
Hi, this is Kim. I'm going on vacation this week. Please call me next week, Monday, February 24th. We'll talk to you then. Thank you.
Hi, this is Bill. Yeah, give me a call when you get back. I'd like to know how things went. Talk to you later. Bye. So now we can dial *17 or hit our voicemail button, which might be up
Please
here.
enter your mailbox number.
201 for the mailbox number.
You have 1 new message.
Hi, this is Bill. Yeah, give me a call when you get back. I'd like to know how things went. Talk to you later. Bye.
Message was recorded 12:44 p.m.
So that's how you retrieve your messages using the voicemail button or the *17. That brings us to the conclusion of our basic voicemail instructions. Hope to see you next module, where we'll talk about advanced voicemail functions, such as forwarding voicemails, dealing with operator type functions, and some other items as well. See you later.